Hello, welcome to Chadani Solution. So today, let's learn how you can add a team member under your sub account. So first is you need to go to you need to be um go to your sub accounts. So if you are under agency view here, then you need to go to select a sub account that you want to add a member. So after that, go to settings and then my stuff. So you are going to add a member here, add a name and permission. So these are the permission allowed. If you disable that one, your team member will not be able to use the AI agent. So on and so forth. So that's it. Thank you so much. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.